How to find competitors' target audience on Facebook ads. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can identify a competitor's target audience on Facebook ads. So identifying a competitor's target audience on Facebook ads can provide valuable insight. Here's how you can research and analyze your competitor's target audience. So first of all, you need to start by identifying your main competitor in your industries. Now these are business or brands that offer similar product or services that of yours. Apart from it, you can also visit your competitor's Facebook page and check page transparency section. You can access this by clicking the More tab on their covered photo. Look for the ads from this page options. Now after that, you can also analyze the active ads. So for that, what you'll need to do is in the ad from this page section, you'll find information about the ads your competitor is currently running. Analyze the active ads to understand the type of content they're promoting. Use Facebook Audience Insight tool to gain insight into your competitor audience. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go to Facebook Ad Manager, click on the menu section. After that, you'll need to choose everyone on Facebook or people connected to your page and enter your competitor page name in the interested. Apart from it, you can also consider using third-party competitive analysis tool like AdSpy, Social Peta, or Powerful AdSpy. This tool can help you track your competitors' Facebook ads, ad copy, and audience targeting. Apart from it, you can also analyze competitors' website. Now visit your competitors' website and analyze the content and products they offer. This can give you an idea of the audience they are trying to attract. Now remember that your competitors may be adjusting their strategies over time, so it's essential to continuously monitor and adapt your own advertising effort based on the insight you gather. So these were the steps on how you can find competitors' target audience on Facebook ads. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.